Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great and I hope you all are making passive money. So in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you how you can install your World OTC on your cell phone and how you're gonna be installing that automated script. And for you guys, that automated script is for free. So if you want to install the automated script on World OTC, that too on your phone, then this video is going to be for you guys. So the sequence shall be as I'm gonna tell you right now. And the first step is to make World OTC account. If you have made the account already, it's good. If you haven't, then the link is in the description. Step 2 is to download the remote desktop from Google Play Store. If you're on iOS, you can download it from your App Store. Step 3 is to purchase the VPS. So the VPS is for $7. Step 4 is to log into your remote desktop. Step 5 is to set up the script. The script is for free. Link is in the description. You can get it from there. And step 6 is to enjoy your easy money. Now I'll be demonstrating each and every single step that I have shown right here. And for you guys, those who know any of these steps or you want to skip on, I'll place the timestamp in the description. You can have a look at and come back and forth to have a look at the step that you want. So with that being said, I'll jump into the video. So you just simply go to your phone and after that open your Play Store. From there you will see this remote desktop. Just type in this remote desktop and you will see this first app that you see right here. Okay, I just clicked it, and over here just head on and click this install button that you see right here. Alright, you simply need to accept what it says. Just click on this accept, and after that your remote desktop will be installed. Now you see here it has been installed already. You just need to add a new PC. Just click on this add a new PC button, and you see here it is asking for a few requirements. Now this is the point where you have to purchase that VPS that I was talking about, which is step 3. So you see this link right here. Just click on this link from your remote desktop and you will see this website popping up. So this is the database smart, and over here just scroll down until time you don't see this Windows VPS hosting. Just buy it. It's for $7, and you just need to like hop into it and get the required details. So you need to go ahead and purchase this VPS that you see right there. Okay, this is just the Express Windows VPS. We're on the other step. Just click on this order now button that you see right here. So once you do that, your order's gonna be processed and you will see some information like this. It will have all the necessary things that you need to log into your remote desktop for the VPS. It has your IP, it has your username, and it has all the required data, whatever needs to be filled. So I'm not sharing this just for the purpose of my remote desktop. I don't want to share it with anyone, so you'll have yours as well. So once you do that, you have to copy all these things from here and you have to go to your remote desktop, and from there you have to like enter everything right here. So it's gonna be our next step. So just need to put in the details that it's asking. Everything will be there in that that I have shared with you, and click on this save button. Once you do that, your remote desktop is on, your VPS is on as well. Just click on this button and you will be connected. Enter your user account. So here you need to put in your required details, your username. Alright, and once you do that, just click on continue and it's just connected. This is asking you a few things, just check it, and after that click on this connect button that you see on the right side. Now it's connecting, and let's see how it does. So it's connected, it's good, we are good to go. So unlock the PC. Our PC has been unlocked, and now we are sitting on a remote desktop. You see this Google Chrome right here. Everything that is, it just like looks like you're logged on a Windows. So that's how you set up your remote desktop. Remote desktop is set up. You have gotten your VPS, and you're good to go. So here you just need to ask me for the script, right? And I give you the script. Just copy this. Hit Control A, and you just copy it from any method and just keep it with you. Now once you copy that, I want you to go to your Google Chrome now. Okay, just copy it from there, and then go to your Google Chrome, and type here iMacros for Chrome, right? And just click on the first one that says iMacros for Chrome. Just click on it, and it's an extension basically, so just install this extension from here. Okay, just add to Chrome from here. Sorry for the screen, but then add an extension. Right, that's good. Okay, it's been almost done. It's already gotten installed. Just thank you for installing. Now, no matter. Now, what I want to do is the setup is gonna be quite tricky, so you must follow this. So click on this icon that you see on the top right hand corner. Just click on it, and it will open a new pop-up. Okay, that will actually. Okay, you see this iMacros for Chrome. Just pin it if you want. If you don't want, it doesn't matter. So when you pin it, you'll see it on the top. Okay, this blue colored globe sort of thing. So just click on that blue colored globe sort of thing, which is basically iMacros for, right. So here, just hop over to your Worldotc and get yourself signed up, right? Logged in. Okay. So just this is my account. Just logged in into it, and over here you just have to make sure that you are on this transaction page. Okay, this transaction that you see on the bottom left hand side. Okay, just move your mouse over there and just click on it. Yeah. So the next step now is to click on this button, this iMacros for Chrome that you see on the top right corner. So that we will install the iMacros, right? Just click on that. So it has loaded the iMacros. Then just try to open it up so that you can see everything in a larger font size. Okay, that's it. Alright, now go to this record. Okay, record macro, the first one. Alright, click on this record macro, the first option that you see right there, right? Now once you click on record macro, click on the stop button, right? Stop. So now you have to delete all this while it is already in there, right? Just copy, select it all and delete it from there. And if you want to delete everything, just click on this area. It will delete everything. Okay, it will delete everything that is there. That's good. I just deleted everything. My mouse there and delete everything. That's good. So delete everything. Do not leave anything over there. Okay, once do that, you need to paste whatever we copied. The script that you get from me, just paste it over there. Alright. not copy it. Just paste it over there. Yeah, there it's it. Now you have to click on this save and close. Yeah, right here in the center. Okay, save as and close. Write here any name of file that you want. Okay, I'll call it Worldotc. Right. You can choose any name of your choice and just click on this. Alright, I'll name it script. Right. Click on OK. Because you have already done, you just have to reuse this one, put it into a smaller box, and we are set now. Next step now is to come to this play button. Move your button to this play. Okay, the left one. Click on that play. So move your mouse in that area and click on that play button. Right. Then you have to just change this one to show you that thing. Yeah, put it to about 70. You can, alright, put it to about 70, or you can go for 98 as well. Put your mouse over there and just put it to 70. Delete the one that is already there, 70 or 75, and go up to 98 and this. Alright, and make sure that you move your mouse on that button that you see, the one you saved. Okay, it is set. You have to move your mouse over there and you have to select it. Okay, then click on this play. Okay, move your mouse in the play section, then go to play loop. Right. Okay, before you go, make sure that you have this selected, this all that area that is here right here, because you want to be your wallet balance in the transaction. Alright, so you just have to put in your wallet balance into your transaction. Right, and I selected all. Now that's it. Right, just click on this play loop. Okay, click on this play loop right now, and you are good to go after that, and it will start doing everything for you automatically. Wow, you see this magic happening. It started working. Okay, it started working automatically, guys, and started taking the trades by it. And can you see everything is working by itself? All right, this was something that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that you guys follow this video completely. I tried to go as detailed as possible so that you guys can have like everything, every details. So here you can see the time. After 3 hours it's gonna reset and it's gonna do the trades automatically for you. I tried to go very slowly. Still, if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer that. Okay, I'll be more than happy to take your question. If you want the free script, you can come over to my Telegram. I have link in the description. I share more platforms over there as well. So with that being said, I'll put an end to this video. It's already a large one. I'll hope to see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace out.